Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 26th, our word of the day is Sere. S-E-R-E. Sere. Sere is a four-letter word and an adjective. Remember, adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns: enormous, dog-like, silly, yellow, fun, fast. They can also describe the quantity of nouns: many, few, millions, 11. Sere means dried up, withered, or without moisture. Similar words include arid, dried, droughty, parched, scorched, sere, shriveled, waterless, withered. Examples of sentences using sere are: the desert was edged with sere vegetation. I was 25 that summer, but I felt old, sere, and without hope. This is the dry side of the island with sere grasslands and free-range goats. Ely Ortiz and the members of his rescue crew, desert eagles, spread out across the flat sere desert. Reaching Phong Siong required an 8-hour train journey across a sere landscape. Firefighters struggled to contain a 50 by 50 foot brush fire on a sere hillside in Laguna Niguel on Wednesday afternoon. Make sure to save this new word, sere, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers!